Everyone is a moon and has a dark side which he never shows to anybody. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Never argue with stupid people, they will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Wrinkles should nearly indicate where the smiles have been. The truth must be served like a coat, and not thrown in the face like a wet towel. Let us live so that when we come to die, even the undertaker will be sorry. Only two things we'll regret on deathbed: that we are a little loved and little traveled. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. Man will do many things to get himself loved, he will do all things to get himself envied. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and man. I am an old man and have known a great many troubles, but most of them never happened. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, then success is sure. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. A banker is a fellow who lends you his umbrella when the sun is shining, but wants it back the minute it begins to rain. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Noise proves nothing. Often a hen who has laid an egg cackles as if she had laid an asteroid. To get the full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. The human race has only one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. When I was a boy of 14, my father was so ignorant I could hardly stand to have the old man around. But when I got to be 21, I was astonished at how much the old man had learned in 7 years. Eat a live frog first thing in the morning and nothing worse will happen to you the rest of the day. Never argue with a fool, onlookers may not be able to tell the difference. When I was younger, I could remember anything, whether it had happened or not, but my faculties are decaying now and soon I shall be, so I cannot remember any but the things that never happened. It is sad to go to pieces like this, but we all have to do it. Do something every day that you don't want to do. This is the golden rule for acquiring the habit of doing your duty without pain. Honesty, the best of all the lost arts. Be careful about reading health books. You may die of a misprint. Loyalty to country always. Loyalty to government when it deserves it. When your friends begin to flatter you on how young you look, it's a sure sign you're getting old. By land, they're not making it anymore. A person with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. The lack of money is the root of all evil.